Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add items to order on Ubereats. If you want to add an item and proceed to order it, then you can simply add it on your shopping cart and continue shopping. So the first thing to do is to launch open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in ubereats.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Ubereats. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. After you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and select an order you'd like to make. You can scroll through the items from the top of the screen. Select the type of food item you'd like to order, and then click Open the item to show the item's description. Once you get to this page, add the rest of the items you'd like to purchase from the options shown on the screen, and finally, after making your selection, click on Add to Order. Once you do that, you will be able to add the product in your shopping cart. You can now further add more items or simply check out with this order by clicking on Go to Checkout and following through the prompts. To add more items on the order, click on Add Items. Select the items and click the plus button in order to add more items to the menu. And after you make your selection, click on Add once again. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add more items to the order. And now you can go ahead and check out with the product. So that is how you can easily add an item to order on Ubereats. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.